Understanding, she's approachable, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase in the English language. She's approachable. We'll explore what it means, how to use it in your conversations, and why it's important to understand the nuances of such phrases. So, let's get started and unlock another piece of the English language puzzle together. When we say someone is approachable, we are referring to their openness and accessibility to others. It means that the person is easy to talk to, friendly, and likely to respond positively if you start a conversation with them. Approachability is not just about physical proximity but also about the vibe or aura that a person gives off, making others feel comfortable and at ease around them. To fully understand the phrase, she's approachable, it's important to look at both words. She's is a contraction of she is, indicating that we are talking about a female individual. Approachable describes her demeanor or personality, suggesting that she is someone who is welcoming and easy to communicate with. When combined, the phrase tells us about her personality and how she interacts with others, emphasizing her friendly and open nature. Let's look at how to incorporate "she's approachable" into your everyday conversations or writings. Here are a few examples. Don't hesitate to ask her for help. She's very approachable. I was nervous about presenting my idea, but she made me feel at ease because she's approachable. One of the things I admire about her is how approachable she is, even as a manager. These sentences show different contexts where the phrase can be used, highlighting the importance of approachability in social and professional interactions. Being approachable is a valuable trait in both personal and professional relationships. It fosters an environment of openness, encourages communication, and builds trust. Understanding and using the phrase, "she's approachable," helps you acknowledge and appreciate this quality in others, and perhaps aspire to be more approachable yourself. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "she's approachable." We hope this video has helped you understand its meaning, usage, and importance in English. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying emotions, intentions, and connections. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in our next video. Happy learning, everyone!